Hello guys, NS Plays here. Actually I made my own new channel of gaming. Okay, so first we're going to play with the wolf skin. Okay, now we're playing with the wolf skin. Okay, let's play. Okay, oh, you see I'm a little wolf. It's got to get around. Oh, another. Oh, it's a bear. Oh my god, a bear. Oh my god. He updated, bro. So sick. You see, I need to get my helper. Time to go. Speeding. Lol. I speeded. I got speedy. Like Sonic. Oh, I need to get me. Lol, you get in stealing my tree. You're gonna steal your own tree. Hey, I got my helper. And see, we're in third place right now. We need to get to first. Every day the goal is to get it first with every single skin. Okay? Let's go. I need to kill the first player so that I can become second. He's a... Hey. Oh, seagull, eh? Seagull. Stealing my food, seagull. Because you shouldn't have. Oh, 3 in a row. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was luck. He was almost going to kill me. Oh, I'm the king. Hey, the turtle guy died. Yeah, he died. Lolly. Hey, bat, you. Oh, I killed the bat. Bats are bad. That's a true fact. Hey, bear. Never mess with the wolf. We'll try and get the new skin. Lol, you should never speed if you are not a pro like me. Oh, we already killed 7 people. Everyday goal is, guys, we kill 10 people with at least one skin. I mean, like, in one game, no. You can also do in multiple games. You at least get 10. You're my next victim for the wolf to kill. Allison Berry. Hey, oh, ooh, he didn't go. Oh my god. Oh, he killed him himself. So sad. Hey, oh my god, someone was stealing all my loot. Someone just got up. Hey, Mr. Head. There was a brown guy over here. Cinderella. So, unfortunately I have to end the video here because we unlocked the skin. Next video we are going to play with the seagull skin. Bye.